हेलो, मैं प्रोफेसर अग्रवाल. Today I would like to speak a little bit about rejection. What is rejection? If you if you understand, the word rejection means the wastage which could have been a product but got converted into rejected products which are not usable the way products should be used. Like suppose the molding machine which is making a mold, which is making few pieces, say adapter, charging adapters body they are making, and all of a sudden the spike comes in the power supply. The mains power supply gives some jerk because of some heavy load power on somewhere else, and that jerk or the spike of power supply disturbed the machine setting, and the charger piece which was coming out as a product for the use, that spoils. Either it shrinks, or it expands too much, or it cracks. There are so many possibilities of the rejection by a machine. Automatic machines normally are prone to rejection, because the rejection can be because of power supply variation, because of operator's mistake, because of raw material problem. There may be some characteristic of the raw material has changed. So the piece which will be made will be rejected. Sometimes even the color matching. Suppose two ingredients are made to make a color, and one of the ingredients ka color mein some change is there, so the final product becomes rejected. This way rejection eats away. It is said in the normal industry, production industry, that rejection of 1 hour in the machine, by the machine, can eat away the production profits, direct profits of the industry of 1 day. Imagine what I am saying. 1 day the industry, the factory was earning, suppose 1 lakh rupees a day earning, and due to the 1 hour rejection, that 1 lakh rupees gets to zero. It can fall down to even zero. The reduction in direct profits is the outcome of rejection. So all industries having automatic plants, automatic manufacturing machines, their main worry is rejection. Wastage is something else and rejection is something else. Don't get confused between wastage and rejection, please. Rejection can become wastage, and wastage is actually inevitable. Like when the product is produced by the machine, molding machine, then there are some strings which are coming out which have to be removed. That is called wastage. So that will be with every product. But rejection is few pieces doesn't get the same performance or the quality what normal product which is produced by the machine should be available. So mind it that if you are going for suppose you are going for putting up a factory, mind that select the machines which have rejection controllers built in, or you buy the machine and contact some experts who can give you the rejection controllers for various purposes. Actually, the machine manufacturer cannot take care of all the parameters of rejection because it varies with the place, it varies with the atmosphere, it varies with so many things. the molding rejection, suppose the outside temperature is 50 degree or so where you have put up the plant. So your reaction controller will change. The place where the temperature remains less than 10 degree, there you will have a different kind of rejection controllers. So rejection controllers are highly customized devices which have to be used depending on the various parameters connected with the industry. But the one point I would like to make you understand is that rejection eats away profits, direct profits, very fast. If you do not take care of the rejection in industry, you will end up with loss of not only the profits but the capital also. So beware of rejection and try to minimize it to zero if possible. Zero rejection is actually not possible, but still you can reduce it to near zero. That is what has to be understood by each factory, each industry putting up automatic machines. Even manual machines you can have that, but normally manual machine rejection is very less because operator is very careful. So rejection mostly is in automatic machines where the operator starts the machine and balance he has to sit idle to wait for the day to be over or ensure that raw material is available to the machine all the time. That is the difference between the two. So wherever automation is there, you have to be very, very careful about reducing the rejection by using customized rejection controllers or rejection monitors. At least you must put, so that they warn the operator and the rejection is minimized. Similarly, rejection in life is also very important. Mostly people do not know what is rejection in life. So the diseases which you are getting are actually the rejection of life. There are two kinds of diseases. One is corporate disease called where you manage the disease, like diabetes, high BP, etc. They are due to stress by your profession. And there are certain diseases you fall sick for a small period, but that small period itself eats away a lot of your inner resources, which takes lot of time in recovering. Say you fall sick for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, but recovery from that, you got cured by the allopathy system, which is perfect system of curing, but recovery may take lot of time. It may take 6 months. You have to go to physiotherapist every day, and that is a rejection, which is that rejection is very expensive. Physiotherapy cost is very, very expensive. So try to adopt a system like Saude system. There is a Saude system which says that cure you should do with allopathy and recovery you should include Shodash technology or heartbeat modulation technology or shunt technology to reduce the recovery time. It is tested by the team of ETPO, NGO Delhi, who is working on mostly the rejection controllers. They are the experts there. There are a team of experts who develop specified rejection controllers customized to the machines and processes. So they have developed processes for the life also to reduce rejection, and Saude system is one of them. Shunt technology is another one, and Shodash system is another one. Heartbeat modulation technology is another one. So many systems are developed to reduce rejection of life of the people, persons. So adopt those systems which actually help reducing rejection on your production floors and in your life or in your family life, in fact, I would say.